Well, I'm doing videos now. They're faster, and I had a large backlog, so I'm able to sell some less expensive items this way, spend less time. And here's some nice clasps, original from the original manufacturers, tag Heuer. I don't know what these go on, to be honest. Breitling. And an Omega. Some of these products you can buy online from authorized dealers. Let me know what you'd like to pay, see if we can get them out of here. Probably some of my customers can tell me what these are supposed to fit, the models. But you can put them on about any strap that you want.